Hi, I'm Brian from the Executive Shaving Company in Glasgow, Scotland. Today I'm going to be shaving with OneBlade Genesis Razor. You'll see it comes with a really nice matching stainless steel stand. The Genesis is different from other razors in that it's a single edge razor and it has a pivoting head. Beautifully made, fantastic weight to it, weighs in at 90 grams. Absolutely amazing design. Underneath, I don't know if you can see this, but underneath each razor has its own serial number etched into the bottom of the base. Let's get started. I haven't shaved for 2 days. This is Wednesday morning. The last time I shaved was Monday morning. So there's 2 days of tough stubble to get through. I've already made up a shaving lather, Executive Shaving Citrus Kiss shaving cream, and Executive Shaving synthetic fibre big chalk brush. I mentioned this is a single edge razor. The razor takes feather spineless blades, and that simply slots into here. You hear a nice reassuring click when the blade is homed into the razor. So, technique needed for a good shave with the Genesis is really no different to what you would use if you're using a cartridge razor like a Mark III or a Gillette Fusion. Nice and easy. You really don't have to think too hard when you're using the Genesis. The pivoting head will correct if you're leaning too hard with the razor, pressing too hard, the pivoting head will automatically correct that. So, first pass. What you'll find is that shaving under sideburns, nice and simple. And you get really sharp lines here. And shaving under the nose. I'll give you a tip here. Angle. The razor in a slightly diagonal way like this. shave cleanly under the nose. Now I shaved, it's a bit of a hybrid I suppose, I shaved with the grain on my neck and a mixture of with the grain and across the grain on my first pass. That works for me. I don't get any ingrown hairs, I don't get any post-shave irritation. Experiment till you find out what works best for you. This time I'm going to shave against the grain. The way the head is designed means you can see very clearly where you're shaving, unlike some safety razors that have bulbous heads like the Merkur Future for example. Now I've got a problem area under my jawline, and the Genesis gets that problem area better than any other razor I've ever used. I've spoken to many thousands of men over the years about shaving problems, and a lot of people have the same problem I do, where the hair grows in different directions under the jawline, and that being the case, just do an extra pass under the jawline. Like so. Well, there you go. 2.5 passes, start and finish, only a few minutes. Tough stubble on thin skin. I'm 61 now, so at my age, it seems to me that my bristles are tougher now than they've ever been. But of course, the skin does get thinner, so it's not a great combination, tough bristles and thin skin. But nonetheless, that's an absolutely perfect shave. Expensive? Yeah, sure. But this is a razor that's guaranteed for life. It's the only razor you will ever buy. If you're looking for a razor that gives fantastic results, that looks superb, that doesn't leave you with post-shave irritation, that doesn't cut your skin, and doesn't take weeks and weeks to master, the OneBlade Genesis Razor comes highly recommended from Executive Shaving. Thanks for watching.